showing you guys how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure to watch for the video. Stay tuned. There are a lot of things which you can do with this application here. A lot of templates or a lot of effects you can use. As you can see, you have the news section, you have the family option, you have the Christmas option. All you have to do, any one of these that you want to use or effects that you want to use, just tap on the option and you pretty much have to just upload a clear image of yourself and you will get results like these. So as you can see down here, do make sure a very clear image so you can get very good results with this application here. So other things as well you can use this application to do, you have the auto video option, you have the other animations which you can use, you have the AI hug and some other animations which you can use with this application. So let's say for example you want to use the AI hug. If you do tap on this option, will pretty much show your subscription page here, but once you select this option, as you can see here, all you have to do is just upload 2 clear images of someone and you pretty much get these results here. As you can see here, it do tell you how much credits you're going to need to generate or get these results here. As you can see down here, you're gonna need 200 credits. So that's really pretty much it. Auto video option here, as you can see here, all of it, you just pretty much upload an image and it will create a video for you. Very simple. When you tap on the AI lab option, as you can see here, a lot of different features as well which you can use, and it pretty much shows you everything as it relates to AI generation, and all you have to do is just upload a clear image of what you want to upload or image of yourself and you pretty much will get great results. As you can see here, you have the auto video option which pretty much lets any image come to light or pretty much anything. So as you can see here, a lot of other features which you can use. These are all the features that they have for this application. So as I said before, all you have to do is just select the one that you want to use, whether it be the turn text to image option into videos. If I do select this option here, as you can see here, it will allow you to enter prompt, pretty much turn it into videos. So as you can see here, how much credits you're going to need to create these videos. As you can see here, just 200 credits and you pretty much will be able to generate videos like these. Personal section, this is pretty much where all the videos that you have generated on the application will pretty much show up, and you have until 7 days before they are completely deleted. So make sure you do save them, so once that time comes you do have a backup of that AI generated video or image. You're going to need credits to generate or pretty much use this application overall. So to get credits with this application, you just tap on the coin option at the top and it will pretty much show you how much credit you have. So as you can see here, this is the subscription page and this is where you go to buy credits. So you're gonna need credits to generate video or anything on the application. So as you can see here, you get the prices of the credits. As you can see here, 1000 credits, pretty much $9.99, and the 4000 credit option there as well. So very easy, and it will show you what we get in pretty much everything, and you can use these credits on anything in the application that you want to generate, whether it be the AI hug, AI kiss, anything. As long as you have credit, you'll be able to use these features. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.